Hey, what's going on, guys? Just got here to Hawthorne Lake. We're by Barn City and Easter Sunday and ready to do some fishing. You know, we got a beautiful morning out here. Sun rising looks awesome and couldn't ask for a better start to the morning. So, you know, I got some history on this lake. I fished Hawthorne for years. It is a good lake. You know, but last year, Easter Sunday, I came out here and I caught a 30-pound bag. So I've never even came close to that. You know, you maybe catch some 20s out of here every now and then, but a 30 was unheard of. And caught some fish over 7 pounds, and I didn't know what to say. So I called into work and I came out here the next day and I did it again. You know, so had 2 days last year, right at this time of year, that were just crazy. So, you know, obvious thing to do this Easter Sunday is come back and see if we can strike magic again. So ready to get out there today. We do got some rain coming, so you know, if the bite's not doing good, I might get off the water a little earlier today and get home, but we're just gonna get out there, enjoy the morning, and see what we can do. Well, I don't think the Easter mega bag is going to happen again. You know, those fish didn't seem to be there, or at least weren't cooperating, the ones that were there. So, you know, I didn't really think that was going to happen again. That, you know, I've fished this lake for over 10 years, and that was just a little special 2-day run there. So we're back to normal Hawthorne. So I'm going to do what I say I'm not going to do every time I come here, and that's go through the tube, and we'll see if we can get on some fish back there. It took a long time to get that bite. Been out here a little over 2 hours, and I fished all day yesterday, and that's the first bite I've had in a little bit, so feels good to get the skunk out the boat. That's a good one. There we go. That's a good one. All right. Good old chatterbait fish. 2.73. So that's a good bite. You know, basically I've been 2 hours without a bite, and then I just caught 2 back-to-back on chatterbait there. One was a dink, and then that was our first good keeper bite there. Oh, damn it. Right on that brush pile where it's supposed to be. It's right on that lay down and started swimming sideways with it. I didn't really feel like I had the hook good. Maybe just got the trailer and I can get that bite again. There we go. Oh, that was the second time. 14 and a half, 14, maybe a little closer to a quarter. But oh. Just shy, 14 3/4. That's a good one. That's a good one. Oh, that was deep in the grass, and I was going to snap it out of the grass, and this one choked it. No. Get over there. Oh, gosh. Oh, look at how that one choked it. That popped out the grass there and absolutely crushed it. Man, that was an awesome bite. That's definitely a keeper. I'll get this one on scale. Alright, 326. Well, that's pretty cool. I am starting to clear the deck now. We've definitely got a bite established here. You know, I've caught, I think, 5 or 6 fish in the last 30 to 40 minutes and 2 keepers. It's got me right at 6 pounds on 2 fish. So, you know, we'd be certainly on our way to a good tournament sack. If we can just keep it up next couple hours, we might get that done yet. That's a big one. That feels good. Oh, where's my dad? It's a good fish. Kind of hard to tell how big they are in that grass, but man, when they're choking it like that, they all feel big. But that's keeper number 3. After what was a slow start, you know, I didn't have a bite in the first 2.5 hours. And I did fish a chatterbait some during that time too. 196. This one definitely doesn't feel as big, but it's not. Hey, it's alright, we're having fun. It swelled up at the top like it was an absolute giant. But it was just doing like a death roll on me. No, I don't think that's 15. No. good fish. 277. We're up to 1075 and 4. Oh yeah, no, that's clearly a keeper. That's 15 and a quarter. 165, and that's got me at 1241 on the day. There's our 5th fish, and we got our full limit on the chatterbait there. Well guys, I'm getting ready to head out for the day, and you know that Z-Man chatterbait, I think it's the Evo or the XO, whatever the one is, one step down from the jackhammer. That thing did work today, and it's still in really good shape too. So, you know, caught a good 20 today on it. Best 5, went 12.4 and had like a 3-pound big. So, you know, yesterday after skunking, that was good just to get the juices back going. And you know, got a tournament next weekend at 12 Mile, and so I'll be over there and we'll see what happens in that. But, you know, didn't get the mega bag I was hoping for today. You know, last Easter, the lake didn't have grass. This year it's a lot further along, and there's certainly grass all over. So I think that's got the fish a little bit more spread out. So, but I'll take it. I caught fish. You know, hope you had a good Easter. I certainly did. And until next weekend, guys, peace.